buy out all my rims I done bought, and I only buy used rims just because that's the level I'm at in my car projecting. But I have never got a pair where I got this back this clean. I mean, this is amazing. These are practically brand new wheels. And like I said, or if you ain't know, one was bent, and that's why I got them for a pretty good deal. But we'll see what I can make shake. This wasn't part of the plan, but a happy life, a happy wife is a happy life. Playing around today, I finally got on my job and got on it. This is what it looks like after the coat and foil. Still got a little residue on there, and I want to knock that all the way down. Like I said, y'all gonna see perfection. I'll bring these back to perfection for you guys. So the next episode, part 3, we're gonna be using some polishing steel wool. Of course, I'm gonna start it off with the 4 zeros, and then take it to the 2 zeros, and then take it to the 1 with the polish, and we'll see how that comes out. Till next time, I'm out.